Look, I want to look on Sabir Hoons. Sabir Hoons probably has to do something with building, But the word in Hungarian, Romanian, wait a minute, the craziness, but came in my head in a second. Sabir Hoons probably there are builders, and also is a Hungarian guy who goes in deeper things. He said once that not Sabirs, but some period, I don't know what kind of people is really, I find it in the 19th century books, Google books, they really say they lived in Egypt. And I get to that, like gulags probably codifying the Gulag pyramid in Hungary, so it's building and all these revolutions or oppressions, like Gulag, codifying it for building. Dragon order, Hungarians coming, who's coming? From north, there was not Mongolia. So the suspect for me, whatever, so suspect for me, the Sabir Huns are some builders. Like I said, the Hungarian guy said that they lived in Egypt, so they built it probably, whatever. Otherwise, I put that together, the Sabir Huns and the Avar Huns, Avar is Arab, and interesting today in Egypt live the Arabs. That they are the Polish Hussars and the Anunnakis also. But Jesus said, because Jesus said that, Enki be that the Anunnaki be that the pyramid. Giza at least, I don't know, rest. So I was searching, I was thinking to look on, but before that I forget. Anyway, holy fuck. Well, we can't back here. But we come back here later. I was thinking, how it looks. This came in my head in the second. So I said in Russian, Slavic to build. Seems destroyed. Like,
Строить.
only that a similar word which can be similar to Sabir, because I want to look if I find some building connection word in some, or right, I'm just looking in Slavic and Turkish, besides Romanian, English, and Hungarian. What the fuck I wanted already going to fucking yeah. Yeah, so only one Hungarian word similar to the Sabir is Sobor, which is statue, like statues, But yeah, but usually we Hungarians say Sobor for the statues which depict human, like a big video, one of the big leaders, kings and shit, But here is translated as sculpture, monument. It's monument, a statue also, but memento mori, so remembering monument, memory. But Romanian also sobor, they say sobor preots. It's like a group of priests, synod, look. Synod also has the Zidane word. Slavic is Jew. I observed that. So Romanian say sobor preots. Un sobor de preots, more exactly. One sobor of priests. They use this expression, I heard, but which means I don't know exactly what, but council of priests or group of priests or something. Interesting. Council, Sobor Sabir, ve Sobor in Hungarian statue. Tada Romanian council of priests. But interesting, synod, let's say, what says the Romania explanatory dex? They have a dex here. Vekit ordened, so not use it like they want a donation, so it's like a council meeting, voice, the meeting of voices, reunion, council, advisors, unification, whatever. Also, all the expression cathedral. So again, some building, you know. And I heard that, let's note that down also. I heard somebody, it was some presentation, they were talking about something, I remember, some older Hungarians. One said that the Serbs were big church builders, you know. Serbs, big church builders. I don't know where he took this, you know. So I don't know. They are big Orthodox today, I know, but whatever. So where he was a surname similar to Sabir, you know, Siberia or a Persian name also. So Persia also, you know, famous for all these Darius and I don't know what. But also some people, you know, Sabiri, I don't remember, but I found it. Some Sabiri or Sibiri or what the heck is in Egypt. Alright, so whatever. Now so this can be somewhere in Romania like council or cathedral, a donation for advisors, so advisors, council, you know. Or so like synode, the interesting synode for Jew in Slavic, Hungarian say Žido, in Slavic say Žido. It is J in French and I don't know what language, Romanian, it is J in Hungarian. But also say Židan in Romanian and Slavic also. Today say like if Romanian, I guess the Slavs also say Židan for Jew is derogatory. But I don't know why derogatory because they were called Judeans. No? The Judeans is derogatory also. What? I don't get. But they're playing with us, the stupidizing. Because you know, synod got a similar like the Židan, right? Synod. Synod is sobor in Romania, like council, I guess. That's the council. Council of Wise. And even I can say that today, so the Jews are the book of men of book, or Wise. All right, we could discuss that they are good or bad, but whatever. We know how they are, so whatever. So but so Sobor statue in Hungarian, so again, some building, in fact, monument. The Sobor in Romania, like a synod council, similar to a little bit with Jew name in Slavic, Romanian. Židan can interchange. So Hungarian only, the Sabir word only has a similarity with, if about in Romanian is council, these letters can interchange, right? So Sabir and Sabai, Hungarian means rule, not in sense of ruling like a king, but a rule as a law or some law, lower level than the law, but connected to law. I don't know what to say, you know. So kan regulament in Romania is, let's say, regulations. So the regulation. I think that's the regulation has the king, rege, in Latin. Or if you keep the LR, rege in Romanian king, lege in Romanian in Latin also law. Roman legions, right? So the Hungarian Sabir word in Hungarian similar to this if you apply the RL interchangeability. You can interchange because I have a relative who has a little girl. The girl not says for me Lotzi, little. Oh, no, wait a minute. All right, no, not. But the kids cannot say to eerlijk, it's too hard, right? So they say le. Like if they say Roman, they say Loman, you know. But Santos also said that his wife was a Japanese, and they are also like the kids, you know. And she could not say the air letter and say the L. I don't know. So the building Slavic is Struit. Let's go to let's say go to Serb. I heard, but I don't know what is graditi. Grad is a garden. So again, so Begraden. Bulgaria, das is gradi. Building is zgrada. So zgrada, Russian sometimes is different. Not exactly. Yeah, so the Russian, I get it. That's why I wanted to get it to Jews again. You know, so building, build to build. Let's remain in Russian now. This was the stроите, or stроит, or zdanje. Zdanje similar like Žid, zidan. Polish, I guess, say for Jew, Židovi. Hungarian, like I say, Jew is Žido, Židovine, Žido, depends how you write it. The Polish, I heard written like this or something. But yeah, but wait a minute, and Zid also in Roman is wall. Interesting. So, yeah, so the Jews are the builders I want to take out. Who are the Jews, you know? Let's write Jew, Polish, I guess, was said Hebreu or Hebreje, or Polish or Česky Zid. Zid is wall. Even if you can force it that you read backwards the Jew name, well, yeah, but you can, you know, intention similar L, yeah, you know. Hungarian, for example, yeah, written like this also. So again, like wall. The Jew means wall, both Jericho and shit, I don't know. Jericho. So the Polish says Zid. Zid, and probably, yeah, so Jew is Żydowski, you know, they put over. So interesting. Jew name, in fact, interesting also in Slavic people, Judi. Lud ze, but ze letterate is more in Czechish and Polish, but the Russian says just Ljudi.
Люди.
So like Juden, you know. People, even the people name, if I force it, can be Vole, could be Finterch and so Vole. But there can be many other, probably. Hebrew, Hyperborea, Noordpole, they have on their heads white, like it's the snow on the poles, you know. Crazy. So Sabir name is similar to other Hun people's name, like Kabars, Avars, or Avares written, Arabs also similar. Sabir, and also even the more one name of the Czechs, like Me, Orval, let's say, messed up letters for Avar, you know. But only then, and also it was some Neuri people in Ukraine, said Herodot said, and others that they transformed sometimes in wolves, wolling, I don't know. Written Nebroi also, or I guess I saw also Navajos, Indians. Fucking, Navajos, because the Spanish says that. So you know, Avar name. So the Avar name, and Vare, yeah, so in fact, if a Sabir can be Avare, Vare fucking Hungary is costly. Interesting weights. Why we say for weight and costly in the same way, I don't know. They were waiting some signals where some factories, I don't know, or real costly some, you know. Other was Sibir, where so that M and B can interchange go together. So Sabir, Sambir, Simbri, Sumerians. So they are the Sumerians also, you know. Sombreros, Navajos. Sombre is gloomy, dark, I guess. So I tried to figure out if the Sabir name has to do something with beating, but until now I found it that Sobore, Hungarian is statue, so But usually Hungary said for a man statue with depicts men or animal, whatever, but it's not a building, so to say. But here they say Romania in the alternate version, which means they want to say not use it today. It means cathedral or means council, or reunion or shit. Of voices, probably. But it means cathedral, so a building again. So what do you have? It says synode, but synode, similar like the Gida. Right? Synode, je. Je in Hungarian, like je, so already like to say. Sida, Gido. Or in Hungarian, some more rules, so again, some guys like Moises, Masons, let's say. And also interesting is dan je grad is a grad wanna be gored like a city. City also in Hungarian is said város, like the castle almost. And grad gored is gored in Slavic means mountain or a city. But Russian is dan je. And also zide, let's say building in dan je in Russe, but zidove. And the new letter in Greek looks like V, but in fact they say no. Or if I apply that Latin text, this is V, they change it upside down N. Zidove is Jew in Polish or whatever, Czechische. Zid is Vole, in Slavic as I see, Romania, I guess. Probably Slavic also. They sometimes say similar. So synod, council, soboren, council or cathedrale, sabirse, by rule again some council, because councils make the laws and shit. Or somebody say this, but go similar to Persian name, whatever, everything. All these other sabir name and other peoples. Avars are the only ones in Carpathians who have the circular buildings, interesting. But interesting they disappeared. The most advanced, let's say, civilized who's disappeared, but all these lowest Hungarians, who's crazy nomads, they made country, man. It is fucking mental illness. But that is the history, so whatever. Samvir, Simri is not in Ireland also something, I don't know. Simru, something. So Sumerian, the Sumerians also, we are back to Anunnaki in fact. Like I said, the Hungarian guy said that some Sibir people lived in Egypt, in fact, they are the ancient ones there. But I guess he also lets in, you understand that some other people also came. So like Jason said, the Anunnakis came there, from America there was. So the Joseph Charip who said that Caucasians cradle is America, also puts the Magyars to middle of Atlantic Ocean, because Atlantis before America, and then southern, Eurasia, Africa, and after it came in Carpathia. So Sobor Cathedrale. What was here? This is also, yeah. So I heard that also somewhere. Var in Ungarn, var. Yeah, so Sobor in Hungarian, statue similar, so some building, but just for not building like building, but just monument, man monument or animal monument, something. Sobor is a synod, but similar to Zidane name, Jew, Slavic. Or Zid, where I wrote it. Zid in Romania, Vole. So building again. That's how the languages are. Interesting Hungarian, so if I say Jew, you will it is, right? Jag vet i Ungarn means repairs. We said also, but they said also like ordinate, so not to use it today because they don't want to. Or rose, what exactly know? Tartar rose mix also repairs, so like tartar and avarname. Or more exactly raptors, right? Fucking language, man. Repairs and fucking English is repairs, man. And avarname, that is avariëd. You know? It's like hey, you know, resetters, rebuilders, shit, and you know. But it's just over, like I said, var Ungarn kast. Så vål. So Tartarians werden repairers or Tarti Ungarn is they keeps up, holds up, you know. So they were keepers, so maintainers, how to say. Not the destroyers. So again, so are the opposite. So not the destroyer, no more say Genghis crazy mentalines, you know. So yeah, so I started because building is done here. So so in fact, when you say the Jews came down from Egypt or something, where the Jews built the pyramid, let's say, you know, question if you know, or there was that guy who said, for example, that Sabir lived in Egypt, there are 200 people there. He said that the Jews never were in Egypt, but it seems they were. You must put up the question: is about today's Jews or what is it? You know. Zdanje Zidwol, so Zidane, Zinedine Zidane. Fucking hell. What a name, man. When the guy was, whatever, I'm fucking. And also, so came in my head, meanwhile I started this, so Sabi Rusi for builders. Well, from this can be seen they are, but it's mixed up with Slavic more exactly. And also, people, let's say, Pole, Vole, in the Slavic is a Ljudin. So like Jew, right? So in fact it's about here, and here if I put up that the Jews were to be there in Egypt, but Jew in Slavic just means Ljudi, similar to Ljudi, which means people. So it's just about the people, but we don't know again who. Jew can be, you know, I would say these are Hungarians, but whatever. No, not today Hungarians also, because we don't know, we don't even know where we are, because we are brainwashed, so the phone. Here I just came in my second, in the second in my mind when I started, if I revert dileter. So bileter looks like zide. What I wanted, so sadire. Was zide. But what was meant to you know, like in the cartoon movies, cartoon is when when somebody just suddenly enlightens up and appears a bumblebee. Like, what the fuck was the idea here, man? I don't know. Well, alright, but I don't forget it. So let's remain on Sabire, bileterai, revrat, minut biletere. So this is similar, right? So zid. Zidar, yeah. Zidar. Zidar in Romanian means mason. Look, kamen in Slavic is stone, kamen in Hungarian is hard. Romanian hard is tare, so la tartar. So we are back to kamen, kumans, what chased by tartars. The second last nomads in the steppes are the kumans. The last are the tartars. But they probably got the two people that chased it, the mental fucking idiots. Plus Komnenos dynasty of Byzantium also, Andronicus, you know, and his father and shit, and John Komnenos, and for me was Jesus, but fucking Mason, look. And again, if I put that, this one type people, so the Tartars, as builders, so total opposite. So normaal not building, not even a wooden house, If Mason in English, who are the fucking Amazons, The woman, so skitiamo, Crazy man is. There was a Giza thing can be a woman thing, but like I said, Giza Turkish is good, So I don't know. So yeah, this was it came in my head. So if I revert the letter and in fact it's the same letter but mirror it, right? Is the. So zid in Romania, let's say Slavic I say it for wall. Romanian is zid, I know. Or perete, whatever. Garte also they use stena. A stone. No? Stena. In English, saying, where was I saying? So
Zid.
So Serbs also say zid like Romania. Bulgarians probably also. No te stena. Bosnia pyramids. They say zide.
Zid.
But zidov, zide. Polish like very so. Fucking yeah. Pussy Slavic ljudi people. Somebody said this, but probably you know something. In Polish zide. So let's put again. So a Jew. Fucking slow is this fucking shit. In Polish, the Jew is a zid. Change probability, So Jews are walls. Wall builders, let's say. Change also zid. Fucking crazy. So here, that's why it's good. You see that put up crazy things because later probably I can guess in most cases came out that is not BS, not stupidity, how to say. So Sabi is in fact zidars. Romania said for the masons, for the bricklayers, all was with them. It's fucking crazy. Mason but Amazon. If I made it, all these unique peoples, where are they? Some Kabars heeft also het avarneem, Abir heeft avarneem, Morva, avar, Neuri Nebrun, avares, avar, so I just put it like. Var is Kastve Hungarian, Sam Sabir, if I put up that maybe the M letter also can appear, because MB can go together like Columbus, Coloma, or interchange will go together. Some Chimbri people, I guess, in Assyria and Chronicles about Cimmerians. Who did before Scythians at North Black Sea, so Scythia. But it's similar to the Americans, And of course, the big mighty Sumerians, Anunnakis there. We are back to Egypt, Sumerians, and Anunnakis again. Jason said that Giza was built by Enki. So the Jews built it. It was made up the story that they were, I don't know, they made some shit and that they were chased out, or not even chased out, but God calling them out, or I don't know what the fuck is it. But who are the Jews, especially when in Slavic people just means Ljudi, like Judy, Judith. Fucking Zidane, And even I have an example for this. Procopius, what there was, wait a minute, so it was crazy, as you see. So if you enter already, the kings are coming, like fucking hell. Procopius, man, fucking hell. So Procopius, and yeah, again, my craziness, I put it up some, I don't know, 10 years ago that these letters must be the same sometimes, because if even phonetical and grammatical, they are not interchangeable because they are not sound like similar, right? H and R especially can not have anything in common. But if cut down from H, you get R, this, and if cut from this, you get this. And you find the source, but I don't enter. And one of, in fact, source for the proving this is Procopius, who talks about sub-evils, you know. But he not calls the sub-evils like other chronicles, he calls them a sub-e no res. So as you can see, the N and R letter go together. S is, let's say, the Latin or Greek adding, right? And interesting, when Rome was founded, you know, the most famous builders in Eternacity and shit, the Romans, or Latins, I don't know how you say that, they robbed to redden, they stole Sabine women, right? So now the Sabines are in fact, where are here? Amazons, you know, you get it? Fucking crazy. The Sabine woord is een Hungarian woord, because PBVF interchange, CP Hungarian is beautiful. You know, like woman. And only one letter with Hungarian nu is woman. So Sabine just means Amazons. But they were builders. What the fly egg is. It's written like this, but I not have Hungarian tastature because it messes up with other shits, and I must. So Sabine in fact means the Sibyl is also similar, right? Sibyl is probably is safe, is beautiful plus Lane. Lane is good in Hungarian. The Sibyls are beautiful girls. The Sabines are beautiful women. That's it. Rome, so they probably not raptured or not even or raped probably. But the armor, you know, it's crazy. It's building, it's armor, alliances, spiritual things, stone things, flying, fucking, I don't know. Even if I say the Sabir name similar to Serb, Persian, Perse, sharp in Romanian is snake, in Persia more is snake. So their name in fact is a reverse. Romanians say sharp for snake, and their name is Romanian, but the Persian is snake. A sharp. Jövök mindjárt. Megnézem, jövök mindjárt.
De én megnézem.
Akkor nézzen, no, hát. But I wanted. Snake in Turkish is ilan, like a girl in Hungary. But again, why similar to Luno? And why the English say for girl in a crazy way, girl. You know? Mongols, Mongols are in fact girls, so what the fuck? Jane Gises. Gises, because it's crazy, so Gize, but Gize is building, Gize, Turkish is girl. But Genghis is Hungarian written like this, similar to Zhenga in Hungarian, which means fresh, like young, you know, girls, a lot of women. Or Genga means weak. So again, like a woman is weaker than a man, or a young kid, a young girl, or you know. Genghis probably, so that's why I'm saying I put it in the last video, not where I'm talking, but where I write it. That which was probably beautiful in history, they transformed it in ugly. Everything is upside down, you know. So Genghis, you know, Genghis, Genovese. Genghis was probably Genovese also. But Genghis can be genie again. Fucking hell is written in English, man. Or Jesus is Jesus again. So Jesus is woman. Italian, so. You know, that's crazy. Or Ilan, or in Mongolian, Ilan, or Ulan, I don't know. Or similar, you know. similar with Y, because if you upper part is red. Hungarian red is piros, rosso in Italia. Piros again similar to Serb, sharp, Persia, you know. It's crazy, man, these things. So Sabir say here, let's back to the Sabir hoons, in fact, they are hoons, are not me posting that they are hoons and now, you know, that if you enter in sources, they say that hoons. Vasus Prokopius or some other source, I guess, says they are Ugni, in fact. Ugnis are with like military. But Ugnose, in the Spanish chronicles, are for Hungars, you know. Sabir are Hungars or Huns. Ugni, met Romanianen, Une, G, it's aangelegen. You know, so it's the measures, you know, builders and shit. But this is the case, so back to here. So revert, the military becomes D. And Z daar in fucking Romanian is Mason. So yes, Sabis, so yeah, when gulags, I don't remember, I was made to make a video. First gulags here, Sabir from center in Anatolia, but Anatolia, show it out with Bosnia. Now go fucking order. Hungarians coming, who's coming? But I guess it went to 2020 because say the wiki says this when the Russian Revolution started. In the middle, so that's when the first gulags were, you know. So let's take the middle number. When interest in Hungary was partitioned, just saying. If you go with 6, because Sabirun's date is this or 15. Goes with Jason, you know, cursor up. Here is a revolt in Bosnia versus Sigismund, and so in Hungary also, and revolt has flee to Bosnia. So Bosnia is a heretic place against some, you know, like must be put that down like Jews revolted or against communism, you know, those who were taking Gulag and all this shit, you know. Avars also revolted versus Charlemagne, and all this, you know, Scottish always are, you know, my tribe also Sekhet, we are also Rebbe, Cossacks, and you know. These are building workers, probably, you know. So here, revolt in Bosnia, Sigismund, Sög is Anglais, in Hungary. Sög, like again, Sigismund, or Jesus, or Giza, or Gen, Gise, whatever. Goes to fucking Hungarians coming in 2 Chronicles, Hungarian Chronicles, and Western Chronicles in 9, whatever, you know. Goes to fucking Huns in 3 Hungarian Chronicles, you know. So the Gulag, the first World War, in fact, codifies the coming of 3 Hun peoples, the Hungars, Huns, and Sabir Huns, goes up to fucking Sigismund, who otherwise similar to his name with Munzuk, who was Attila's father, so we are back to Huns, and his father of Hunyadise, so Hun again. Fucking hell. So the Sabirs are Zidars, masons, bricklayers. All they are beautiful women. So again, we are, because the woman is Ari type, right? Women are Ari type. They are soft and easy and shit, you know. So I don't know. No, what has to do with because the Zidar, the stones are heavy thing, what to say. So what has to do with women? Be there's probably if they existed, they were always men, so not women, not beings. So hard work, right? So I don't know what is the real shit or probably not one of these also, so something else. But that you can see the fucking connections. And they are the Jews also, but question is probably not today's Jews there because they are just put that up like they are the everything you fucking zdanje building, sobor Synod, Zidane, Jew. A cathedral in older versions, probably Slavic in Romania. What they say for that. I advise there's united, like council, vices, all this. Or lawmen, Szabály Hungary is rule, regulation more exactly. Legge, law. The law is horse in Hungary, so again, horsemen, nomads, or lawmen. A law in Hungary is a fucking horse. So English not says law, but they law. I heard something, says a big church be theirs. People in Slavic is Jew. In fact, everybody is Jew. Because people means what people? Not specified. Polish in best case. Right? Or the whites, because bello in a pole upside down bilete, right? Again, let's play like bello in Slavic is a white. Polish head. The Polish pole is a lamp also again, so North Pole against Hyperborea, Hebrew, Europe, Arabia, Avaresia, So Jews had to be this. But interesting the way that when I saw, I said Avars, all these people similar to Avar name in fact, very, Avar. BBF vintage, and Slavs say for BV, for example, not even needs, But today the Arabs live in Egypt, no? So now the Sibir days, some Sibir people was ancient in Egypt. The Sabirs can take out now that they are beer there, but it goes in Slavic, but it goes with the Jew name also. So the Sabirs, ancient people in Egypt, the Jews or Sabirs, but they lived the Avars, Arabs there who similar name with the Avars. Avar is costly. Avars are the only beer there homes. Or is about again, came in my head, fomenting, because Avars, those artifacts, golden artifacts. Not Saint Miklos or the Saint Nicolaou Mare, Romania. Interesting was founded in the border of Hungary and Serbia. Serbia again. So a woman is pregnant, look, So it's about again wall building. Like I said, the Nemesis goes out and cornerstone appears against some building. The Nemesis namzés in Hungarian is a procreation. Or Anunnaki, Anyuka Hungarian woman, or mother, Or his avatar, look, it's like a soul came out in its chest, but he's pregnant also. Was the Griffon, of course. These treasures probably can be anything, so probably they made it somewhere in lost the gold of the Avars, look, event. It can be anything, so probably they made these treasures in last 200 years somewhere, they attributed to Avars or whatever. Because they make everything the theater is a code and everything, But as the Hungarians and all the Northerners, in fact, especially the eastern part, the nomads, or those people who live on the Scythian territory, how they say, the Turks, Slavs, Bulgars, Hungarians, Slavs, Romanians, Romanians are exception because they were led to be ancient people here, So everybody else came from somewhere. Here we in Eastern Europe, nobody knows. Turks also debate, they don't know who they are. Slavs don't know who they are. Hungarians, Bulgarians, it's a mess. They directly made mess. So not Occident, we are not Occidental stupid, like I said. It also the other artifact also has a woman goes up pregnant, but it's other side. They don't really show this shit or what. Look here, get a woman. Has 8 tits in fact. But in West also the northern wars, western wars also don't have culture in history, you know. But what I wanted with this again. So probably it's about white. So, but I don't know exactly what I wanted to say now. So whatever. So yeah, but so yeah, I started with that all these subbies and have this avar name, var costly. Can be woman also something. What is the woman with the ball? And exactly, interesting. Avars are only built there, Hunse, but these artifacts are attributed to them. There is a pregnant woman, you know. So again, bird, and again came in my head also Nibiru, in fact, Nibiru, Nemesise, Namzis Jungar, like I said, is pro creazione, Anunnaki, Anyuko is mother, so they are even woman, or I don't know. But Nibiru in fact has the board. Fucking, I forget to say this in video. Nibiru in fact has in English the board, right? But better than that is. German also say geboren, bird or something. I don't know. Nerd, bird. Geboren in German, I guess. The Nibiru is destruction or niet als je bent go salten op eerste stone thing, you know, the cornerstone in 2106, Jesus said. So he's collected some of these things, but what has to do with the woman, well, I don't know. Has to do in some Hungarian and Romanian ballad. I put it if you want to search so kőmű vers Hungarian Mason, stone mason literally means Kalamen verse. Here is the, if you even the subtitle say the popular ballads. They invented these popular ballads, not the people. Or I don't know. They're manipulating that also. Mason Clement. So the woman beat in the, you know. But they know this is Hocus Pocus, they write ballades for us. So it is always about that stonemason Clement builds some wall and the wall still collapses and collapses, so not stains. And finally, I don't know how it gets to that conclusion that he must put his wife into the walls. Look, my mother has not come. Well, not says in English. Wait. Here, go away, my son, go to hide. They were costly. Eva, interesting. Why Eva, first woman, you know, against some fucking bird. I just see now, you know. Deva Castle is in the middle of Transylvania somewhere. There is your mother, she's laid in the stone, you know. So the mason put his wife in the stone, in the walls. And after that, the wall was not collapsing. I guess that is the story. Yeah. Folk ballads were fucking as probably isn't invented by them. Deva and Eva, yeah, Avars, yes, Avars, you know, with the pregnant woman artifacts. Eva, Avar, Deva Castle, so in that story, the woman and the wall is connected. They're really connected because the woman is putting a fucking wall to make the wall to stand, not collapse. So it really is connected. Fucking hell, man. Asszony, similar to Amazon, right? Ungarra az asszony is said for a married woman. Fucking hell, man. And mural, somewhere they said for a whole mural or some shit. Mural, Rome mural, again, some Rome building. Fucking hell, man. But mora is a scene, Latin, but means also armor also, but means law also. Like life conduct, how to say so. Moral, yeah. Fuck. That make every hocus pocus for us men. So in this ways, the woman is connected to wall, really connected, because not collapses after that. So the wall is connected. The bricks. Because the woman was involved in. Fucking. Fucking him. You read it if you want, but what you can find it. When you say it for my tribe, it is in my region. My tribe is Székely, are Székely, ja, Székely, but the Sziklai Hungaran is rock. And if the mountains are mountain buildings, so I don't know. But it is so called in Slavic is Falko. But Fale and Vole, right? Or Fole, Godes or Fose, Go, ne. But Q in Hungaran is Store. But Satan, Satan, if you want, on is doctrine. We are back to laws and shit. Or Isten is God in Hungaria, but I don't know. So God is stone also. You know, and the fall go really fast because it goes up and drops down, falls down. It's crazy. We are the Seike, so we were one time be there, so. But not we probably because, I don't know. Our more 10 times more higher capacity version probably in the golden age somewhere. But we are just a weak shadow, those people probably, you know. If we were we, I don't know. Or some other people probably, because we are a fake nation, so all of us, you know. So Sabir are Zidars. So this guy who said knew something that Serbs are big church builders, or so, whatever builders, you know. But there was the Avars were also Avars had circular boil things called ringus in Latin text, so rings, you know. In the church, in Hungary, Carpathians are a bunch of small round churches, because a Karak in Hungarian is a round, like, you know, circle, is a universalis word. The interesting Kega interchanges, in Görög in Hungarian is Greek, you know. If the Serbs are big church builders, probably the Orthodox church builders, but their capital, how to say, so not Vatican, but in you know, Greek comes from Greek word, the Byzantine, you know, shit. But the Greek probably karak just means round. The church also has the karak, you know, karak. Kirche in the German not even says church, it says Kirche or something. And the Russians, I guess, said cerka. So that we can see how the letters can change in. So probably Serbs, big church builders, I don't know. Dat Avars or Sabirs, Zidars, that was really had circular buildings. Probably they were the church builders also, Serbs, you know. Sabirs or Serbs, Sabirs, Abar, Kabars, Avares, Abir, Orvam, Avar, Nebrun, Navares, with all this fucking And this is the crazy. So even the Sabir names, Sambir, Simbri, already similar. Simbri, can find the wiki, I guess. Ancient tribe in Europe, look away, I remember there were some Celtish and shit in Germany. There were some chimros in Assyrian text. Or Simbri, Assyrian. I saw somewhere something with. So Kim, det here even said here the Simmer. Connected to the southern regions also, the simply name. So not, yeah, Gimri, that is a Gimri. Gimri, Simri, all the same fucking, Cimmerian, Sumerian, American, Cimmerian, du vet, before Skytia, Sambi, Sabir, Simbri, Sumerian. Enki, Anunnaki. But Anunnaki is mother again. So, what is with, again, bowling, all right, whatever, so. That's it, holy fuck, 1 hour again.